We've been on a lot of cruise ships, but last night on the Norwegian Luna, something happened that I can honestly say I was not expecting, like at all. And no, it wasn't a surprise show or a hidden spot. It was something completely unexpected. Hi everyone, my name is Tori from KirkToriStory, where Kirk and I sold our house in Canada back in December 2022, and we've been traveling the world by cruise ship ever since. We've been on 68 cruise ships now and have seen and experienced so much, but last night something happened on the Norwegian Luna cruise ship during our transatlantic crossing. I'm still in shock, and still I'm not even sure if I fully processed what happened, but last night, after 21 years together, Kirk asked me to marry him. Yes, I can't even believe it.
I can marry you. And I have a fancy ring. What's your answer?
So picture this. Last night we were just sitting in Swirls on the Norwegian Luna, having a normal night with friends, trying different wines, chatting, nothing out of the ordinary.
You're my everything partner. Would you like to marry me?
Are you crazy? Like for real?
Would you like to marry me? Where's my ring?
Would you?
So yes?
Then I ordered some water in a bottle, and the next thing I know, Kirk is making this ring out of the plastic seal of the bottle. And then out of nowhere, he looks at me and asks me to marry him.
Are you for real?
Have I ever lied to you in my life? See? It's for real, girl.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For real?
And I just sat there like, wait, is this real? Because after 21 years, he meant it. Like, he actually meant it. So naturally, what did we do next? Well, of course, he went straight to the whiskey bar to tell everyone, and we celebrated with everyone there as well. And then we ended up dancing the night away at the Improv Club with our favorite DJ, Tasso, and of course a whole lot of friends that we've made on the Norwegian Luna and also from the Norwegian Aqua. So Kirk and I, we've already built this life together of traveling the world, living on cruise ships, and taking some pretty big chances. So this isn't about starting something new. It's kind of like officially celebrating everything that we've already built together. But we're not stopping at a water bottle seal ring. Don't worry. So we're going to pick out a cruise ship, and we are actually going to get married on board. That might even turn into our very first group cruise. So if you've ever wanted to cruise with us, you might be literally coming to our wedding. No pressure, just casual life milestone. So yeah, still in shock, still processing, still wearing a plastic water bottle seal ring, but we're engaged. And if you want to follow along with us this next chapter, the planning, the ship, the decisions, please just make sure you're subscribed to our channel. Thank you so much for being part of this announcement, and let us know in the comments if you have any ideas about which ship we should get married on. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.